Now there is Custos. Do-it-yourself, easiest and affordable water damage prevention system. Custos lets you know by instant messages if you have sprung a leak and gives you a chance to under control the situation. Thanks to its range of sensors, it can tell you exactly where that leak is. You'll know the problem and what you need to fix it. It's like mindfulness for your pipes. And Custos even works on those hidden pipes you can't see. But the best thing is, Custos doesn't just wait for you to drop what you're doing and come around and fix the leak yourself. Instead, Custos stops the leak itself. So don't you wish for more things to work for you in your life? Custos doesn't care if you abandon it to go on holiday to Vegas. It's still there, loyally checking for leaks, ready to turn them off at a moment's notice. And if it texts you, it's to tell you it's handled the problem and you can keep having a fun time. With Custos, you can even turn off the main water remotely. But what if you have a power outage and then a leak? There is nothing to worry about. Custos is still there for you. It's got a 32-hour life battery that can keep working more than you do. Let's talk about how you can set up Custos in 20 seconds. First, clamp the servo above the ball valve on the water main and then connect the gateway to the servo. And don't forget to insert the battery into the gateway. Plug the gateway adapter into your power supply and install the water detection probe on the servo. And place water sensors wherever you need them in your home. Once you've got the app all set up, you can see and control them via connecting over Wi-Fi. The system is now running. Well, we can tell you what we are asking. Join us on this journey to make your dream of living in a safe and dry house come true. Your investment will help Custos protect our homes from water damage, mold, or other costly repairs because we know how important it is for each family's peace of mind when they are guaranteed safety at all times.